Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain you some important MCQs in photosynthesis in higher plants biology class 11. Start the questions. In Hatchin slag pathway, the primary CO2 is acceptor is rubiscore or oxaloacetic acid or phosphoglyceric acid or phosphoenol pyruvate. Which is the correct option? It is a phosphoenol pyruvate. Next, one scientist cultured cladophora in the suspension of azotobacter and illuminated the culture by splitting light through a prism. He observed that bacteria accumulated mainly in the region of blue and red light, or violet and green light, or indigo and green light, or orange and yellow light. Which is the correct option? It is option A, blue and red light. Next, in order to increase the yield of sugarcane crop, which of the following plant growth regulators should be sprayed? Cytokinins, ethylene, auxins or gibberellins? It is gibberellins. Next, which of the following is not a product of light reaction of photosynthesis? Not means ATP, NADH or oxygen or NADPH, which is not a product they are asking. NADH is not a product. Next, phosphoenol pyruvate is a primary CO2 acceptor in C3 plants, C2 plants, C4 plants or C3 and C4 plants. It is occurs in C4 plants. With reference to factors affecting the rate of photosynthesis, which of the following statements is not correct they are asking? Light saturation for CO2 fixation occurs at 10% of full light. Yes, it is a correct option. Next, the increasing atmospheric CO2 concentration up to 0.05% can enhance CO2 fixation rate. Yes, it is also a correct option, but the C3 plants responds to high temperatures with enhanced photosynthesis, while C4 plants low temperature they are saying. No, it is an incorrect statement. Next, the process which makes major difference between the C3 and C4 plants. It is a glycolysis or Calvin cycle or photorespiration or respiration. Which is a major difference? It is a photorespiration. A plant in your garden avoids the photorespiratory losses, has improved water use efficiency, shows high rates of photosynthesis at high temperatures, and has improved efficiency of nitrogen utilization. And which of the following physiological groups would you assign this plant they are saying? It is a nitrogen fixer or C3 or C4 or CAM. Which is the correct option? It is a C4. Next, emotion enhancement effect and red drop have been instrumental in the discovery of oxidative phosphorylation or phosphophosphorylation and non-cyclic electron transport, or two photosystems operating simultaneously, or photophosphorylation and cyclic electron transport. Which is red drop they are asking. Means it occurs at two photosystems operating simultaneously. Next, in a chloroplast, the highest number of protons are found in antennae complex or stroma or lumen of thylakoids or intermembrane space. Which is the correct option? Lumen of thylakoids. Oxygen involved during photosynthesis comes from water molecules. Which one of the following pairs of elements is involved in this reaction? Magnesium and chlorine, or manganese and chlorine, or manganese and potassium, or magnesium and molybdenum? Which is the correct statement? It is option B, manganese and chlorine. Next, the correct sequence of cell organelles during photorespiration they are asking. Is it chloroplast, mitochondria, peroxisome, or chloroplast is vacuole and peroxisome, or chloroplast is Golgi bodies and mitochondria, or chloroplast with rough endoplasmic reticulum and diatosomes? Which is the correct sequence they are asking? Correct sequence is option A, chloroplast, mitochondria and peroxisome. Next, in Cran's anatomy, the bundle sheath cells have thin walls, intracellular spaces and several chloroplasts, or thick walls, many intracellular spaces and few chloroplasts, or thin walls, many intercellular spaces and no chloroplasts. No, all of these are not sinking. But thick walls but no intercellular spaces but large number of chloroplasts are occurs. Next, CAM cell helps in the plants in reproduction or conserving water or secondary growth or disease resistance. It is a conserving water. Next, PGA as the first CO2 fixation product was discovered in the photosynthesis of algae or bryophyte or gymnosperm or angiosperm. Which is the correct option? It is option A, algae. Next, Cran's anatomy is one of the characteristics of the leaves of potato or wheat or sugarcane or mustard. It is the leaves of sugarcane. Next, oxygenic photosynthesis occurs in oscillatoria or rhodospirillum or chorobium or chromatium. Which is the correct statement? It is oscillatoria. Next, the cyclic photophosphorylation results in the form of ATP and NADPH or ATP NADPH at O2 or ATP or NADPH. Which is correct one? It is option C, ATP. The stroma in the chloroplast of higher plants contains the light-dependent reaction enzymes or ribosomes or chlorophyll or light-independent reaction enzymes. Which is the correct option? Option D, light-independent reaction enzymes. Next, the C4 plants are photosynthetically more efficient than C3 plants because they have more chloroplasts or they have the CO2 compensation point is more, or CO2 generated during the photorespiration is trapped and recycled, or CO2 effluence is not prevented. Which is the correct statement? They have more chloroplasts. Thank you for watching this video, and if you want more videos like this, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.